Hey everybody, it's your girl Crown Vick back with another video. Welcome back, Royals, to my channel. Today I'm going to do a wash and go, but it's going to be a little bit more detailed for you beginners. So say if you do a wash and go and some of your hair is defined, some of it's not moisturized, it's not lasting as long, I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks as I do my wash and go to help you guys out with that. Now I'm going to show you the products I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this Mielle leave-in conditioner. If you guys are on my channel a lot or have seen my previous videos, you know I love Mielle. It's the best. It's organic, it has natural ingredients. I just love this line in particular. It's the pomegranate and honey line. I absolutely love that line. It's the best. If you haven't checked it out, you can check it out. Then for the oil I'm going to use, you can use any almond oil, but I mean, I just got this because it's on sale that one day. And it is the mint almond oil. You can use any oil that fits your hair porosity and your hair type, whatever that oil is. Jamaican castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever oil it is. But I'm just using that for today. I love almond oil, especially sweet almond oil. And then I'm going to use a gel. So this is where it goes away from the foundation. So I call my foundation leave-in conditioner and oil. So if you want your hair fluffy or defined, you need to use an extra product. And today I'm going to be using this gel. It's Curl Maker by Mielle Rose Naturals. Typically use a gel if you want your curls really defined and not as I guess soft and fluffy. It'll be a little bit crunchier and it'll be flatter unless you pick it out. So yeah. And also, guys, before I start my hair, I'm gonna use this Blue Magic Super Grow. I have really bad dandruff and it helps condition my scalp to keep my style lasting longer, because without greasing my scalp, you'll see like flakes in my hair, and I need to condition my scalp because I am prone to dandruff. And then yeah, so we're going to use a wide tooth comb. Where's my wide tooth comb? I'm gonna use my Dim brush. My mom uses this too, her hair's in this. And I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb. Guys, I want to show you guys real quick from my wash day today, or my co-wash day. I had a co-wash today in the shower. Look at my fallout. Look at that. That's freaking nothing. This is nothing compared to what it was 2 weeks ago. It was horrible 2 weeks ago. It's hot. The freaking lawn guy's here and it's freaking, I hope you guys can't hear it too much, but I had so much fallout like 2 weeks ago, and it was just so bad. I was leaving my hair for like a week without touching it. I wasn't moisturizing it properly, and it was just a mess. All of my hair was falling out. So my hair, if it's dry, it will fall out in chunks and it will thin out my hair. So I have to keep it moisturized, and that's what I've been doing. So first, I like to put my leave-in conditioner and make sure your hair is wet. I have medium to low porosity, so I'll wet my hair and it'll get like super defined, then it will dry out super quick. But I do advise you guys to put the leave-in conditioner on soaking wet hair, especially if you are a new natural, or just like, I mean, I just prefer it to be like super damp. I mean, it doesn't have to be dripping soaking wet, but it does need to be above 80% wet. So I'm working in the product. I love this leave-in conditioner because it has so much slip. Like, I have no tangles really, like just a little bit, but it's like so much slip. I can just glide my hands through my hair. It's like the best leave-in conditioner ever. Now you want to run that wide tooth comb throughout your hair, and that's going to distribute the leave-in conditioner a little bit better. in your hair. It's gonna hit each strand. And so if you don't comb out your hair with like each product that you put in, that's when you get like different patches in your hair that's not defined, and some patches are defined. So that's what you want to do after you put in each product. You want to comb out your hair, just like run through it a little bit, and so it can distribute throughout your hair. Now, if you guys want to grease your scalp. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Greasing your scalp was optional, guys, but if you don't want to do that, then just skip to this step. Put the oil in your hair from ends to roots, massage that in, and if just half a section is too big, then get that half section, break it up into smaller sections, and add in your oil. Then you want to comb out your hair to distribute the oil throughout your hair to each strand, so you know you get moisture throughout your hair, so you can have a better wash and go. It smells like cake. No, it doesn't. I thought it smelled like cake. Maybe that's her other product I smell. But it smells good. It says it's marshmallow and agave. So yeah. So here I like to break up my hair in sections. I don't just slap it on. So I get a back piece like this. Did you guys see that? Get a back piece like this, just randomly parted. Doesn't need to be perfect. Oh my God, it's so hot. You know how like you get out the shower, wash your hair, and you're still kind of worked up? You guys can see. Like, I'm sweating. This is a workout, and I just finished walking, came home. Look at that. It's like a jelly. It's like a jelly. Okay, so now I got my curl maker, and you'll see the curls revive. Okay, you can't really see me. Back up. Okay, so I start from the ends and work my way up. Dimming brush just distributes a little bit better, and I don't like to use this unless my hair is super wet, because I feel like it rips my hair out if my hair is not super wet and full of product. So I just take the Denman and I comb through my hair with the gel, and the white tooth comb works just as good, and it just gets my hair like, it helps the product distribute throughout my strands so well. And if you guys don't have a Denman brush, I mean, you guys can try that out, but I would try that detangling brush. I'm gonna start selling it soon on my site. Some days this combo is gonna work perfect. Every single time it's gonna work, and you're like, oh, I love this combo, this grease with this gel, my hair looks so great. And then one day it's just not gonna work. You guys gonna be like, I don't like it, like I want lasagna and not spaghetti, and you're like, it's the same shit. But girl, sometimes it's gonna work, sometimes it's not. But hey, you do the best you can do at the time. So, okay, hunty, we are all done. This is the defined look. I'm just putting some of that Blue Magic on. I love it so much. It smells so good. You guys should try that kind. It's a super girl with jasmine tea leaves, and I think green tea too. And I'm gonna show you the end result. So I'm gonna do this side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let go. Wham! Okay. All right, I'm all done with both sides. This side is drying a little bit. This side I just finished. Look at the waves. Oh, love this curl maker so much, guys. So I'll see you in a second when I'm all dry. And I'm about to, guys, this is my hair when it's about 90% dry. I'll show you. Yes, I did my little edges something quick and slight. This is how it looks. The curl maker really lays your hair down, but also if you want it more voluminous or, you know, nice and big and round up, a nice big and round afro, you can pick that mug out and there you go. And I have my little Crown Vick clip right here. It's called Gold Excellence. It's on my Facebook page right now for $3. So go ahead and get you guys some. I have a whole bunch of different colors in this style. I have so I have the red, I have the blue, the gold, the white, the black, and the pink. If you guys want to jazz up your style for thick hair girls, I have a trick. So you put a bobby pin right there and then you put your clip, because sometimes certain clips can't hold all of your hair. So I bobby pin the part I want to be clipped if it's holding my hair in a certain position, and then I put my clip for style. So boom, what do you guys think? Hey, if you guys like this wash and go, give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos, beginner naturals. Love you guys so much. Have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you next video. Bye.